are you making those balls?
Okay. O, letter K na.
J.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Next.
K.
K.
J.
Okay, next. Aray ko.
K.
K. Let's pick.
K. K. Like my name, K-A. We need to go up and down.
That's long. Small. Can you use this for...
No. Are you a cat?
Yes. Okay. They should be ano. Okay, then remember. Oh, like that. Should be one hand going up. One hand going down. Like that.
Okay,
Slanting
K.
up.
L.
Slanting up. Slanting
Okay.
down.
L. Oh, there's the straight line.
Okay. Go to sit down here. You're hurting me.
But
Kasi the clay is there. You have to sit here. Okay. Alright, okay, then what letter? What next? What's next? Letter
K. L.
L.
We need a straight line. M. M.
The letter L is so, thin. Ano ba yan? Make it little.
M.
Oh, letter, wait lang.
Going down, up, down.
Wait lang, I'm not done with letter L.
I'll do the bottom, you'll do the zigzag.
Oh, L, next.
L, M.
M.
M, N, M.
What letter?
M. 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 A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M.
Okay, what's next?
M. Go down. Go down. Up. You go up.
Going up.
Wave the water on.
Huh?
You wave the water on.
No, Ate Ken's is outside. She's washing her hand.
N, M. M.
Slanting down. And then,
Up.
we need the slanting up.
Mommy,
What?
when is Daddy?
Daddy has a class.
In the church?
Yes.
Well, why didn't he bring his laptop?
No. That's ano lang. Ano ba yan? Try again. Try it again. Do it again. Here. Yan.
And N. Like this. N.
N. What's next?
N.
N. Hoy, what letter now?
N.
Oh, why you're not making N?
N. Oh!
No, that's not done yet, oh. Oh, you need another line going up like this. Letter N. It's no, it should be going up.
No, here.
Letter N yan eh. Ano ka ba? N is like yan, like that. Okay?
Oh!
Oh, oh, make us a long snake. What are you doing? Get the letter O. O. O muna, O. This one na lang nga.
Oh,
Should be big.
okay.
Make it long. This one like a snake.
Oh.
Yan. Very good.
Q.
Okay, make a snake again. Long snake. This one.
O, P, Q. O.
PQ. Can you turn on the light? Okay then.
Q.
Wow. Oh, here, R. Give me legs for the R. This is R. R. Put the legs. What is that? R. R.
Q. O.
It should be in the corner like this. Yan. R.
S.
S. Cute ng Q ah. Q. R. S.
F. O. S.
Q. R. S.
O.
What? Like a snake. Make a snake. Long snake. And then make it like a letter S. Remember the other day you make a S? Using a snake. Ano? Clay. Yan. Very good. Pwede ito. Can you see? Here. Yan. Yan. Good job. Curve mo, curve. Yan. Oh, that's good. Curve it. This. Yeah, that's good. Move it here. Move it here. That. There. Now that's enough. That's this. Letter S.
O. S. T. T.
T.
T. T.
Yes. We're almost done now.
Like with the I, remember.
Wash your hand after, ha? Kasi our hands is so dirty. Make it ano. This one is the hair. Yan, this one. This one is the line. This one is the ano, straight line. Yan.
And.
Wait, so ano naman? This one na lang. Oh. Yan.
And.
Then this one is the what's there? Top. Yan.
You!
Letter U na.
Almost done, yeah.
Here. Here, make a letter U. Yan. What letter is that?
You.
Letter U. Like a snake. We're almost done. And then you sing. Anak, you like this. Make this a snake, like a snake.
There.
And then you. No, this is enough. Yeah.
You.
You.
V.
V. Make a snake.
Like a check.
Yeah. U, B.
V.
Make a long snake. Roll it like this.
V.
Like this. Kaden, Kaden. Like this. And then V. Oh, V. That's V na. Diba?
W.
Oh, you make ano? What are you gonna do? V?
W.
You will make W or you make it like ano? Snake.
I'm gonna do W.
Make it long. Make it longer, longer. Just longer. Sige na. Just, ano, roll it first and... Sa W yan eh.
W. Last one.
Come on.
Last one. We're almost there now.
Oo nga. Oh, roll it. Like the snake. Like this. Hailey! Hailey!
There.
Hailey!
Look at mine.
Okay, more here. This side. This is still fat. Hailey!
There. Look.
Oh, make a W now. Is that enough? Oh, make it long pa. Make
What?
it longer. Kasi you will do W eh. Okay, that's enough na W na yan. Oh, put it here. Make it like a W.
W.
Oh, how do you make W? W. Oh.
Oh, go up. Like a bump.
You fix it.
W. There.
Is that the W na?
Yes. W. X. X. We're almost there. X. One more line.
Okay, go. Roll that.
Ew.
Who's that?
There.
Okay. What you will do?
Make an X.
X, oh. Cut the letter, oh. Here. Oh, one line. Here.
Oh, no. I will do it.
How many line you need?
Huh?
How many line you need? For X?
Just one.
2. Kasi one slanting line. Another slanting line. So 2. Okay na. Put it here. Here.
Huh?
Okay, sige. Oh, another one. You need another line here. So to make X. Put it here. Oh, you need this. Make it, roll it. Make it little bigger. Cut. Cut up to here. Yan. Oh. Roll it. No, this is enough. I-roll mo to. Ito, roll mo yan. Like this, oh. Oh, is that same? Oh, make it. X. Yan.
Like a plus.
Lagay mo yan. Yan. X. Yan. Perfect.
Why?
Y.
We're almost
What's
done. Why?
Last two. Y and
Z.
yes.
You will do the Y, I'll do Z.
Okay. You do the Z.
There, Z.
That's so big. Give me one. Cut.
Yes.
A little more.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, now we can make a Z. Make a Z.
I'll make a Z. You do the Y.
Okay.
One more one. You don't need anything.
Yeah, I'll make a letter Z.
Oh, done. Look. Z.
Z. Wait, the letter Y. Not done with letter Y.
Y.
You sit down here, you fix your letter Y. Y.
Okay, going up and heel.
Oh,
Heel and heel.
Y. Oh, come on. Oh,
Okay.
your Z is...
Uh,
Oh.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Oh,
Okay, what's this?
I
Say.
need to make numbers. 1
Okay.
to 10.
Okay.
1 to 10.
Alright, good job, Kaden. High five.
I
Okay.
need 1 to 10.
Okay, let's make 1 to 10.
1,
This is the A, B, C, D, F,
1,
G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Yay!
1.
Good job!